when you're tired, when you're lonely, you can just reach out and on.
No, I'll be there. I'll help you weather the storm.
Us together, nothing's ever felt more like home.
No, I'll be there.
You will never be alone.
Hey, my name is Sergey. I'm working as a QA animation engineer.
I'm Slava. I was studying almost 2 years, but I got it. I got it because I followed my dreams, I followed my target, and I got it.
Hey, my name is Eddie. I'm an animation engineer.
I'm Veronica, and I'm a singer and piano player, and also working as a QA lead at Logitech. That's it!
Reach out to me, know that I'll answer the call. Us together, nothing's ever felt more like home. No.
My name is Jahan. I'm a QA engineer.
Let me finish my food first, bro.
Where do you see yourself in 2 years?
I think I'm gonna be a QA engineer in one of the top 10 companies in the world.
Hey, my name is Ella, and I'm an IT specialist.
Hi, my name is Andrew. I'm working as estimator in one low voltage company. And I don't know this guy!
Hi, my name is Lenny and I'm a dancer.
I'm Sergey. I work as a videographer.
I'm Nina. I'm UI UX designer